supports both AMD Expo, Intel XMP, Asus Aura, Gigabytes RGB Fusion, MSI Mystic Light, Astrax Polychrome Sync. What we have for review is the 32GB kit with a frequency of 6000 megatransfers per second and CL timings of 30, 40, 40 on 1.35 volts. The memory modules come with a brushed aluminum heat spreader design with a light bar diffuser on top. DDR5 indicator on the top left corner and XPG logo at the bottom right corner. CPU Z shows the SK Hynix as DRAM manufacturer. In conclusion, the XPG Lancer DDR5 memory is a good option to dive into the new technology of DDR5 memory. The RGB compatibility is great as it is seamless with Asus Aura, Gigabytes RGB Fusion, MSI Mystic Light Sync, and Astrax Polychrome Sync. The XPG Lancer DDR5 memory is best for overclocking due to its cache latency of 30 and its SK Hynix A-Die. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.